Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you in 5 minutes how you can create this super easy smoked wing liner look. If you follow each step that I'm doing, I'm sure you guys can pull it off. It might look a lot more complicated than it actually is. So definitely give it a try if you like this type of eye look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply some eyeshadow guards. I did already apply eyeshadow primer. I used the same one in all my videos, which is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And today I'm playing with this palette from Zoeva, and I'm gonna take this soft pinky peachy color and I'm gonna start blending this all over my crease using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. And I'm just blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner to really warm up my crease and to get this color to be all over the place. This is gonna be like the base undertone of today's eye look. It's gonna be not too warm tone, but also not like cool tone. It's just a really pretty peachy pink shade. But now I went in with this shade, which is kind of like the same color, but just darker. I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush and I'm just gonna pack this on and blend from the inner corner to the outer corner. I think I went back a few times with this color to really get the color to be as bright as I wanted it to be. I think around 4 times. So keep that in mind. It doesn't look like straight away as the color in the palette. Then I'm taking this more warm orangey shade and I'm gonna take a different brush. This one is actually by Zoeva, and I'm gonna start blending this in the outer V area. Now the shade which I used before this one, which was that pinky peach, I also applied a little bit of that on the eyelid, which I showed you guys, but I didn't mention, but I did wanted to mention that as well. So I have the peachiness all over the eyelid, and now I'm gonna use this orangey shade and I'm gonna pack it on in the outer V and also blending it a little bit towards the middle part of the eyelid to get a sort of transition which goes from that warm peachy color towards the orange shade in the outer V area, and then blending a little bit around the edges. Then I'm taking this dark burgundy color and I'm going to use that to create the first shade for the smoked out wing liner. I feel like smoked wing liner looks sometimes look a little bit complicated, but I actually think they're so easy because you can just be a little bit messy. You don't have to be like really precise. You can just take a tiny blending brush and blend along the lash line, and you don't really have to think about what you're doing. You can just blend along, which I think is nice. Then I'm taking a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. I'm taking this black one from the new Norvina and Anastasia Beverly's palette. And I'm taking a super tiny brush, which is also by Zoeva. It's their tiniest brush. And I'm going to use this to create that smudged wing liner by making it even darker using this black. With this, of course, I have to be a little bit more precise because I don't want it to be like too much upwards. I want it to be like along the lash line. But still, you don't really have to be that precise because you're just smudging back and forth. Just make sure that you don't go too high up towards the eyelid. But besides that, super easy. So definitely give this a try because I think it gives you such a nice sultry seductive look on the eyes, which I think is so pretty. So if you have never tried it, make sure you do and let me know in the comments if you did, if you enjoy doing it and how it turned out. I'm really curious. So now I'm taking that burgundy shade again and I'm going to use a flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty and I'm going to press it right underneath the lower lash line. This is my favorite brush to do so because it's really flat. The name speaks for itself. I just really like to use this for packing eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line. So now I'm mixing these two shades and I'm going to use the mixture of those two eyeshadows to blend along the lower lash line to make it look even more smoked out and just not as harsh, because the flat diviner brush which I used to pack on the burgundy shade, it can look quite harsh, so you definitely want to blend that out to make it look a little bit more soft. And then I'm going back in with that tiny brush which I used to create that black smoked wing liner. I'm just taking whatever is left on the brush. I'm not going back in with any more product and applying a little bit underneath the lower lash line in the corner to really connect the wing liner with the lower lash line. I didn't do this in one of my previous videos, and someone said in the comments that they were really annoyed that I didn't do this, and I actually always do it, but in that video I didn't. So for that person that commented, this one is for you guys. I did it. I connected the lower lash line with the wing liner. So now I use the Vibes pencil in the waterline and I went in with some fake eyelashes, which are from my own company Annytude, which is launching this weekend, which I'm so excited for. Saturday is actually my birthday, so I wanted to drop my website on Sunday to kind of celebrate my birthday at the same time. I'm really excited for that, but also I will be uploading a new video on Sunday and I will show you guys the lashes and all of that stuff. So definitely check out my video this Sunday. It's gonna be my birthday look, but I'm also gonna show you like the new lash styles. So yeah, this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. I really love how it turned out, and really guys, it looks like really like I put a lot of effort, but it's actually not that hard. So I definitely challenge you guys to try this out and let me know in the comments if you're gonna do it. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and